I love working with wood, and if you're looking to make longer, more accurate cuts, then a circular saw is definitely a winner. This Makita 190mm saw is part of the Makita MT series. It's a simple yet powerful machine. No bells and whistles, it just gets the job done. You can adjust the cutting depth to a max of 68mm and the angle of the cut to a max of 45 degrees. And with the rib fence, you'll get a straight cut every time. It also has a powerful motor with high speed, giving you a nice clean cut. It's comfortable and easy to use while still being safe, with a blade guard and a safety lock switch. It also has a dust nozzle for less mess and easy change carbon brushes. This is just one of the circular saws available at Builders. For more, visit the Builders website or follow the YouTube channel.